So here we have the BMW 320 diesel estate on a 64 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we then approach the back of the car, you'll also see reversing sensors. Loads of boot space as well, which you can increase should you wish to by folding down any or all of those 3 remaining seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge, then the speedometer, rev counter, and coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 57,541. You can change the information displayed above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control and speed limiter on the left-hand side. Over on the right-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. Into the centre next, you'll get to the main screen for the car. We're on the main menu just there. All of the movement on the screen is done using this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. So we're on the main menu, as I say. You can use the dial or you can press buttons directly. So if I press nav, for example, we're then on our sat nav screen. We can, of course, access the radio. We've got FM, AM and DAB, and you can listen to your own music via CD player, USB input and auxiliary input. Again, you can go directly into everything from here should you wish to. Below the main screen, we have the volume for the stereo, the CD player, dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. The system's in auto at the moment, so if I take that off, we have full manual control over the fan speed and the direction of the air. Air conditioning is actually turned off, so that button turns it on and it's on when that light shows, of course. Same button to turn that off again. If we hit auto now, what will happen is the car will take over the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain those temperatures. Auto will take you back to your own previous setting with a heated driver and passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. Underneath that, we have a 12-volt charging socket at the back here with a little bit of storage next to it. More storage here, under which we have 2 cup holders available. The gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. We have traction control you can turn on and off, and you can change the driving setup of this car. So you can put it in Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.